Okay friend, it's your friend here, Pastor Victor Agu. In this practical video, I want to show you how to use detailed targeting when you're running your Facebook ad. So in case you're surprised how I get to this dashboard where I am, or this interface of the Facebook ad manager, don't worry. When I'm going to be running a scratch Facebook ad, you're going to see how I landed here. So don't stress yourself, just watch the video first. So I'm going to be opening any of the campaign I have here to show you how to do detailed targeting. So let's use this particular campaign you're seeing here. Edit. You're going to go to click edit and wait. Okay, I'm going to this is where we have, this is where we put our detailed targeting in our ad set level. I click there. Okay, I wait for it to load. Scroll this down. Network is still holding it. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, this is where we have our detailed targeting. As you can see here, detailed targeting we used to hear about, I talk about on the Telegram channel. This is the Oga detailed targeting. Okay, let's click this edit. Still loading. Let it load all. I have to pause this video. Okay, believe it's done. Okay, now as you can see in this video, I have, in this particular ad campaign, I have used detailed targeting. Look at, I've used engaged shoppers, frequent international travelers, frequent travelers. I've used affiliate marketing. Let me see. No, there are many that I've used. Look at them here. Listen, I've used them. I use luxury resort, luxury vehicle, money, personal income, wealth, business, digital marketing, social thing. I've used a lot of them. Okay, let me pretend as if I didn't use any of these detailed targeting and I want to use them for the first time. So look at this place. Look at this place that my cursor is. This way you are seeing this search icon. You see add demographic, interest and behavior. Now in detailed targeting, what you're using to do your detailed targeting is just three things. Number one, demographic area of that, the person you are targeting or the customer you're targeting. Then their interest, what they have interest on in social media, because they're going to use social media to run this ad. Either Snapchat or YouTube or Google or Instagram or Facebook. You get the stuff now. So you're going to know their behavior, their interest. So now you track your ad using their behavior and their interest, or where possibly could be, so you get them to see your ad. Okay, for example, now let me choose the detailed targeting football. Let me see, I want people who have interest in football to see my ad. Look at it now. Apply football. Now if you look at it, a drop down just came out. Now look at it, football. People have interest in football, so I click football. You see now, it has entered. Now if I want people who equally have interest in football to see my ad, but I want other people who have interest in something that looks like football, they have relationship with football. Have you seen now? We have boxing, we have violin, we have swimming, so on and so forth. So I can come here and click suggest. See the suggest? Click there. It will show you more connecting options. Have you seen now? Look at what I was telling you. Have you seen Premier League? Have you seen UEFA Champions League? Have you seen World Cup? See what I'm telling you now? So people have interest in Premier League, you add them. People have interest in La Liga. Look at, he has shown us La Liga now. You add them. People have interest in UEFA League, you add them. People have interest in FIFA, Look at it. Where is that fever? I just saw it here. Look at Real Madrid. Have you seen now? Look at Lionel Messi. So we have interest in Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, anything related to football. You jam them inside your detailed targeting. Why? So that Facebook can have more people to show your ads to. As I define what detailed targeting is and the true purpose of detailed targeting. So when you're using detailed targeting, you're not using just for your customers to see. For a lot of persons to see your ad. From there, even people who are not your customer, they can see your ad and interact with your ad and just to buy from you. Listen now. So this is how to use detailed targeting. You can put anything, religion, anything, type anything, it comes out and that's it. So this is how to use detailed targeting in practical. So we are going to be using it more and more in the course of this training. So I'm going to be seeing you in the next course outline in this training. Watch this video at least 3 times so that you understand what I just said. God bless you.